Hey guys, it's Yaadie Chrissy representing Jamaica here in Germany. So guys, so today's video we'll be talking about the 10 reasons why you should move to Germany. So according to the Human Development Report, Germany is the 5th best place to live in the world after Norway, Switzerland, Austria, and Ireland. So this official UN report takes into consideration the average life expectancy, literacy, financial stability, as well as equality amongst genders. So there are currently over 9 million foreigners living in Germany. This makes Germany the second most popular destination in the world after the USA. So guys, the first reason why you should move to Germany is to study. Germany really values the education of its citizens. Nearly the entire population has a higher education. Only 4% of people in Germany have not endured in college classes or postgraduate schooling. And this is because most of the bachelor and master programs in Germany are free for both domestic and international students. The only catch is that for international students, you have to learn German first, right? Yeah. So guys, the second reason why you should move to Germany is because Germany has a very low unemployment rate of just 4.4% compared to Jamaica with 7.3%, or compared to the USA with 7.9%, or compared to Canada with 10.2%, or even the UK with 4.1%. Yeah. The third reason why you should move to Germany is for unemployment benefits. Yeah, those who do not work in Germany can claim support. Anyone who is unemployed is entitled for unemployment benefits. This would be like 60% of your last net income if you have no kids, and 67% of your last net income if you have kids. Even economic migrants can come and register as unemployed even though they've never worked in Germany before. So guys, the fourth reason why you should move to Germany is that you'll work less hours and you'll have more vacation days, right? So Germans work around 1,436 hours per year on average, compared to Americans with 1,804 hours per year. Yeah. And in Germany, the workers get between 24 and 30 days paid vacation by law, compared to America, where they don't even have one single legal required holiday or paid vacation day. Yeah. The fifth reason why you should move to Germany is for maternity leave and parental leave. During the 6 weeks prior to birth and the 8 weeks following birth, women are forbidden to work in Germany and are entitled for maternity pay, which is equivalent to their monthly salary. And both mother and father of a newborn are entitled for parental leave up to 3 years. So guys, the sixth reason why you should move to Germany is child benefits. So any taxpayer in Germany who is living with a child is entitled for child benefit, right? So parents usually get child benefits until the kid is 18 years old, and it can even continue until they're 25 if they're still in school. So this child benefit is like a monthly payment of 190 euros for the first 2 children, and then 196 euros for the third child, and 221 euros for every subsequent child after that. The seventh reason why you should move to Germany is for the good health insurance. So health insurance is obligatory for all residents in Germany. All public health insurance providers charge around 14% of your gross income, which includes your hospital care, your prescription drugs, your pregnancy care, your dental care, your sick pay, and it even covers for people that are still dependent or non-working, for example, a spouse or children. So the eighth reason why you should move to Germany is for the good transit systems and highways. Most German cities and towns have efficient systems of public transport. So in Germany, we have 5 different modes of transportation. We have the S-Bahn, we have the U-Bahn, we have the Straßenbahn, we have the Expressbahns, and we also have buses. So the German highway, aka Autobahn, has achieved a legendary status as one of the best driving roads in Europe and even in the world, being that it is one of the few roads where you can drive over 200 miles per hour. And a fun fact too is that only 10% of car accidents happen on the Autobahn here in Germany because the driver's license is so hard to acquire. So the 9th reason why you should move to Germany is that Germany has one of the lowest crime rates in the world. So on a list of 133 countries, Germany is ranked like 91 on that list, like down on the list 91, with a crime index of 35.14. If you compare this now to Canada, they have like a crime index of 40.64. Then if you compare further to the UK has a crime index of 44.54, and Jamaica in comparison has a crime index of 67.20. Yeah, so the 10th and final reason why you should move to Germany is for traveling purposes. You know, like if you are someone who likes to travel, Germany is perfect because we're essentially in the heart of Europe. You can go a bit north, you can go a bit south, you can go east and west, and the trips are quite cheap. You can always find like a cheap flight somewhere or even a train ride going to a next city or to a different country. Here in Europe, we have Ryanair. It's a very cheap airline within Europe. Sometimes you get flights for even 20 euros one way or so. And sometimes you have crazy deals with Ryanair that they offer flights plus hotel and stay and whatever. Like there's so many opportunities, possibilities how you can book a flight and have a nice little weekend trip here in Germany, going to any other neighboring country. Yeah. So guys, you've made it to the end of this video. Please comment down below if you knew all these things about Germany before, or if you're now convinced about moving to Germany. Also, I'll make sure to link below in the description all the links where I got my information from. So if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and read up more on the whole thing. Please guys, like the video, subscribe, share, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace!